This is the instructional video for homework and practice lesson 4-5, adding more than two-digit numbers. So in the example here, we're adding any 3 or 4 numbers in any order. So what they're doing is looking for making doubles, looking for a way we can make a 10 from things in the ones column. Helping children remember what's in the ones column is pretty easy because it's on the right side, so you help them remember it's the right one. The right one is the one with the ones column all the way over at the right. So looking at making 10s, 6s, and 4s together and counting on. So starting, 3 plus 9 is 12, 13, 14, that sort of thing. So go ahead and take a look here at number 1, looking for doubles. So we've got doubles. We've got 2 4s down here. We know 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And then 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 3 more is 6, 7, 8 at 89. Over here, we're counting on. So we're looking at 2 different ways that we could find a couple different numbers to count on from. I'm going to go with 2 and 7. Students can choose anything they want to, but I know that 2 plus 7 is 9, and then if I add 4 more, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are going to have to regroup because the number is larger than 9, and we can't have 2 numbers in the ones place. So a 3 in the ones place, regrouping, bringing that 10 over to the tens column, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You could also have them to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however you'd like to do it in the tens column there, adding up to 53. The next one is making a 10. So we look for 2 numbers that add up to 10. I know that 8 plus 2 add up to 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Put the 5 in the ones place. We have to regroup because 15 is larger than 9. And bring 1 over to the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 65 is our answer on that one. For number 4, it says choose a way to add. So students can pick whatever way they'd like to. They might want to go with a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 4 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 84. Okay, let's go on to the next page, the back side here. All right, look at the sum, read the clues, circle the 3 numbers that add up to that sum, show the addition that you use to find the sum. Excuse me. The sum is 83. So we're looking for 3 numbers that add up to 83. So it says one number is the sum of 22 plus 22. Okay, we know that's 44. So this gives us the clues here, 44. So we know one of our numbers here is going to be 44. One number is 1 less than 20. So a number 1 less than 20, if we count backwards, is 19. So we know that's one of our clues. And one number that is greater than 19 and less than 44. So greater than 19 is 20, and less than 44 is 43. So we're going to look at numbers that are between 20 and 43. 5 is not between 20 and 43. 12 is not between 20 and 43. 10 is not between 20 and 43, but 20 is between 20 and 43. So we get to circle that one. And if we add those 3 numbers together, we can get 83. What I'd love to see the students do is add it. They can put it anywhere they'd like to, but if they'd like to do the 44 plus 19 plus 20 and have them go ahead and go through it that way, they can do 13 here and bring it over. 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 83. It's a great way to check their math. Next one, our sum is 72. So we're going to take a look at the clues. One number has 2 of the same digits. So we're looking for 2 digits that are exactly the same. The only one here I see that has 2 of the exact same digits is 33. one number is greater than 12 and less than 25. So greater than 12 is 13 and less than 25 is 24. So we're looking at a number between 13 to 24. That won't work, that won't work, that won't work, that won't work. So we only have one. 14 will work because it's in between there. So that's 14. And then our last clue is one number is 20 more than 5. 20 more than lets us know we have to add. So 20 plus 5 equals 25, and it's right there. Again, have the students go through and practice adding. So if they can do 25 plus 33 plus 14, and then having them look at strategies. They may take a look at this, and 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 in the ones place. Regroup that 1 over to the tens column. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. With our answer of 72, we check it. It checks out over here. Number 7 is our higher order thinking. Excuse me. Mac's family donates clothes to charity. Mac donates 16 shirts. So I'm going to write M for Mac. Mac donates 16 shirts. His brother donates 14 shirts. So I'm going to do B for brother. He donates 14 shirts. And his mother, so I'll put Mom, donates 9 more shirts than Mac. We know Mac donated 16. 9 more we need to add. So we've got to solve this first. So 16 plus 9 equals 25. And then we have 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. So our total is going to be 55 shirts. The students can also stack it up, 16, 14, 25, adding that way. An easy way for them to look at this one is the 6 plus 4 does equal 10. 10 plus 5 is 5. Regroup the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just some quick strategies on how to go through and solve those problems. For number 8, that's our assessment. Yeah, a lot of these questions are exactly what are on the test for the students. There are 37 ants, 39 worms, 12 moths, and 11 beetles living in a big garden. Find the sum. It already has it stacked up there for the students to figure out. And again, they can go through and find out their own strategies. A lot of them love doing the grouping to 10. Right here we've got 9 plus 1 we know equals 10, and 7 plus 2 is 9, so that's going to be 19. So we've got a 9 in the ones place, regrouping the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer there is 99. And they can go through and explain their work. They can write it down, exactly what I did. They could say, I added 9 plus 1, then I added 7 plus 2, which equals 19. I put 9 in the ones place, then regrouped. Oops, I know this is a little low. Then regrouped and added. All right, that's the end of our lesson.